Hello everyone, today I'm going to be opening my new phone. It's the A10. And I think this is supposed to be for my birthday. And my parents got it for me. So I'll be opening the plastic now. If it will open. Okay, I'll just cut it. Cut. Okay, it comes with this Vodafone thing. I think I'm gonna use it. Yeah, and this is my phone. A10. Trying to take off the plastic. If it will get off, that will be great. Okay, so when I first open it, it has this weird box and it contains the quick start guide for I think my phone and my warranty card. And then here is my phone. It is pretty big. Take off the plastic. Ooh. Take off the side. No. So much of plastic. Okay, so this is my phone unboxed. It's the back. And then all the buttons are on one side. And I have a charger, which is a decent size. And the box. I also have, if I can get it out, the pin for my phone so I can open it and put my SIM card in. It looks like this. And I also, like last week, I also got my phone case. It's blue and it's flip and has random pattern in the, like that. And my phone, I think, goes in here. I don't want to do it now because I don't know how to do it in one fit. And I got my screen protector as well. Yeah, that's basically all I got. And yeah, it's my new phone.